Those are the headlines that we're tracking for you today on Startup Street. Now, Dashverse, which is a full-stack AI entertainment company developing platforms for mobile-first entertainment, has announced that it closed a $13 million Series A funding round, making it the largest Series A round in the sector. The round was led by Peak 15 partners with participation from returning investors Z47 and Stellaris venture partners. The milestone comes as Dash Reels, which is their newly launched micro-drama app, surpassed 5 million downloads within a month of launch. But for more on the company's growth prospects, joining me now is Sanidhya Narayan, who is the co-founder and CEO of Dashverse. Sanidhya, welcome to Startup Street. Thanks for your time here. $13 million, the largest Series A we've seen in this sector. What convinced the investors to back you at this scale, and how does this now position you for the next phase of growth? Sanidhya, we're unable to hear you. I think you're on mute.
Hi, Ritu. Thanks for having me, and I hope you can hear me now.
Yes, go ahead.
Thank you so much. I'm really grateful to our investors, Peak, Z47, and Stellaris for showing the trust in Dashverse. And the trust comes from what we have been doing for the last 2 years, and we have been building in AI, and building the comics app first with a Dashverse studio, which was making comics with AI, and it was like first in the world product that could actually use generative AI, and any creator could use it to make their comics. And now we have launched Dash Reels, which is very focused on India, and we want to truly build a lot of leverage on the creator ecosystem by also providing a Framio. Framio is a web application which is state of the art. It lets you create serialized episodes using AI tools, all of them combined. And I would just add that we have created 2 technologies which are in-house that focuses on character consistency, which is a big problem in the AI world. So the images or the videos that you create, you are not able to get the consistency in the characters. And that is why storytelling with those models is really tough. And that is the problem that we have solved with Framio. So you could tell your story, you could get the same character, even if you make a small video or a movie over there. That's the technology we have built. We have a very competitive and very smart engineers working for our company.
Got that. Well, Sanidhya, we're left with little time. So briefly, how are you going to allocate this money, between, AI, R&D, product innovation, creator acquisition? I mean, what is the expected payback period for these kind of investments as well?
So our Dash Reel app, which is the microdrama app, is doing really good. And we really have a great product market fit with the consumers. So the majority of investment is actually going to go into R&D, almost 60 to 70% of the money that we have raised. And we are going to continue building the cutting edge technology. And our goal is that from India, we'll make the best AI creator ecosystem in the world.
All right. You spoke about Dash Reels that hit 5 million downloads in about a month. How much of this is really organic versus marketing driven? And what is your retention curve looking like after this initial spike?
So we have this app live for almost 2 months, and last 1 month saw a huge surge as the content started getting added on Dash Reels. The retention curve is actually much stronger than we anticipated, because in just first month we get something like a 12% retention on D30 for our consumers. So it's going to be $100 million products in the next 6 months. That is what I believe. It's going to be the number 1 downloaded app in India pretty soon. In a month, it is like number 3 already on the Play Store.
All right. You're running an integrated ecosystem from AI creation tools to, this consumer-facing app. Where is the bulk of your current revenue really coming from, and how do you see that mix evolving over the course of the next year or 2?
So the most of the revenue that we make today, or we are going to make in future, is going to be through the consumer-facing apps, which is Dash Reels, where consumers can pay a subscription and consume content. On the creator side, we want to keep it as subsidized as possible, so we don't want to burn a lot of money apart from R&D. but we are not like very inclined towards making a lot of revenue from there. We truly believe that we want to democratize the supply. Running a two-sided marketplace is tough, but once it starts moving, I think even the creators and the company will start seeing fruits from it. So yeah, revenue should be Dashreeds, and Framio should be the one-stop solution for all the creators across the country.
All right, Sanidhya, we have a lot more questions, but unfortunately we've run out of time. Thank you very much for being here on Startup Street. It's been a pleasure speaking with you, and we will, of course, follow your journey.
Thank you so much for having me.